Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. The Winlock interlock allows for easy installation and a solid engagement between two panels. The lock is designed to increase the strength as wind speeds increase. Panels exceeding 20 foot in length should be pre-slotted using a tool that creates an oval hole. Installation of long panels should begin in the middle and then move towards the ends. This will allow for better installation. Having someone beside the installer pre-slotting the panels beforehand will allow for a speedier installation and more accurate slotting. Panels are installed starting at the bottom of the wall. The first panel locks onto the starter trim that was applied to the base trim. The panel is then fastened through the lock strip on the top of the panel and into the substrate based on project-specific recommendations. After the first panel has been installed, it should be checked to make sure that it is level. The female side of the next panel is then connected to the male leg of the previous installed panel and fastened to the substrate. In areas where the panel is fitting between two trims that have been installed, the panel needs to be able to slide into both trim cavities while leaving a 1/4 inch gap for expansion and contraction on each side. The process continues until the wall area has been completed. A portion of the panel may need to be cut around the top of the window opening. The width of the window is measured along with the distance from the top of the last panel to the top of the face of the window head trim. Remember to exclude the fastening flange from this measurement. The panel is then cut to remove the portion of the panel that would have covered the opening. The area directly above the cut area is then notched a 1/2 inch and folded towards the wall using a folding tool or a panel bender. This is done to create a clean look above the window. If this occurs on a low rib, then there is no reason to notch the panel. For more installation details, please visit www.ataz.com.